What's going on, guys? Josh Sykes with you for OutdoorNewsAmerica.com. As always, if you like the products we're talking about today, if you like the content we're producing, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up on the video. Let us know you like it. Leave us a comment or a suggestion below. If we can find the answer, we'll answer it for you. We'll give you our best. A lot of guys get on there and leave comments, and I always try to answer in any way that I can. If I can help you out, let me know. I will do my best. In the studio today, I've got something really unique I want to share with you. This is the Kinetic Concealment Tac Pack on the go cleaning kit. Now, I wanted to share this with you guys because a lot of times we don't talk about firearm cleaning and firearm maintenance, but if you shoot your gun, you need to clean your gun every time you shoot it. And the one thing I love about the Tac Pack gun cleaning kit is it comes in this nice tactical pouch. It's got snaps on the back. You can snap it right to your rifle, right to your range bag, and take it with you. And I want to share with you what's inside of this. You can pick these up at kineticconcealment.com. They're $29 on the website, a really good purchase. Now, let me show you what comes in this pack. I'm going to sit this down over here. Now, they've packed this full of really nice Wolf Premium Oil, Wolf Premium brand oil products. Now, you get this really huge, really nice custom Wolf towel. This is a very nice towel, by the way, kind of a microfiber-ish, almost like a, I don't know what this material is made out of, but it's almost like a chamois, so to speak, towel. I think this will come in handy a lot of ways. You get 100 of these Wolf cleaning patches, 2x2 cleaning squares. You get those in the package. Really nice high quality cleaning brush comes in the package. And you also get a 1 ounce tube of Wolf all-in-one gun oil and cleaner. All this together, and you also do get the custom Kinetic Concealment pouch with the, I love the American flag on the front of that. All together, 29 bucks. You really can't beat it. And I'm going to do some follow-up videos with you guys on proper ways to clean your firearm. I go to the range quite a bit. I put this in my range bag. After I'm finished shooting that day, I put a little CLP oil in the parts of my handgun. I wipe it down real good with the rag just to kind of get a lot of the residue off of it until I can get back and do a deep cleaning. This is also very handy to have at the range if you've shot a lot and you're starting to get some malfunctions, you're starting to get some buildup in there on the gun. You can use that CLP to drop down there and get some more lubrication on the slide and on the feed ramps and things of that nature. You can use a little brush to get down in there and clean that off and get you back running on the range pretty quick. So, hope you like this product. Like I said, something we don't talk about all the time. We're usually talking about firearms and things of that nature, but this is really cool. KineticConcealment.com, look them up. I think you'll enjoy this product, guys, and until next time, we'll talk to you soon.